This is Cindy Creating the Heart, and this video is a little bit later than I normally like to post for this, but for my subscribers, I give an opportunity to send a Christmas card to you. You need to be in the US, and all you need to do is email me at scoop71@yahoo.com and send me your address, and I will mail you out a Christmas card. So it may be a little bit late because Christmas is on Sunday. But I really do want to send Christmas cards out to people. So it might arrive a little bit after Christmas, or it could end up being a New Year's card. But I do want to get an opportunity to send people out some Christmas cards because I do have quite a few cards that I'm not sending out. And so I don't really have a limit at this point. So I will try to send a card to everyone. If for some reason you don't get a card from me, then maybe you'll get a card from me later, like a surprise card. But go ahead and send your address to me, and I will send a Christmas card out to you. So thank you all for being subscribers to my channel. Really appreciate all of you guys. Thank you.